Hey guys, this is Anitra Preston with Vertical Capital, and I'm with,
Elridge Moore.
and we're here with another underwriting video. Again, we hope that you are getting value out of these videos as we dive deep into how to do a property evaluation. Now, we're going a little bit about the borrower's character, but primarily this is to show you how uh, we underwrite property in our market, right? And so if you are a fix and flipper or you're an investor of any type in real estate and or real estate agent, I'm sure you can pick up a nugget of two to add into your toolbox. And if you're looking to learn a little bit more about our channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share.
All right, we have the property address at 4310 MacArthur Boulevard, New Orleans, Louisiana, 70131. The property's square footage is 3,056 and 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Single family property is not their personal residence. Estimated current value of the subject property, $275,000. Estimated value after rehab, $425,000. Years of experience, 4 years.
On
Loan amount,
MacArthur Boulevard, that's kind of suspect, but okay.
yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna see.
Yep.
Loan amount requested, $195,000. Describe the use of funds, purchase and renovate new roof, windows, framing, flooring, plumbing, electrical, drywall, appliances, landscaping. All right, we're gonna check out the photos. Exit strategy, fix and flip in 6 months. All right, so 6 months. Purchase price, $125,000. How much can you put down as a down payment? $25,000. That is the 20%, so that's good.
Mm-hmm.
Construction cost, $70,000. All right,
So what's
that's
the total loan amount they asking?
195,000. And they could put their
So
20% down.
all right, so they could put their 20% down.
All right, cool. So let's check out the photos and then we could go on the assessor's website and verify the square footage.
Mm.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Mm-hmm. Right there, huh? On this
Yeah, it's
first.
a lot. First photo. All right, do look 3,000 square feet though. It's pretty big.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. All right. A partial gut.
hmm So it looked like they had probably a flood or something and they gutted it up to like 4 or 5 feet. I'm not
Mm.
sure.
Yeah, about if it's 8 foot ceilings, about 4 feet.
Yeah. Well, they have a pool. That's a plus.
Yeah, it is a plus. Mm-hmm.
All right. That's the photos.
All right, and we just got a traditional. Let me see that. Would the front was like yeah, all right. Okay, I just wanted to see the front.
Okay. Man, this is a big rehab though.
Yeah, so we only it seemed like we only got the downstairs photos. It don't seem like we got any upstairs photos. It don't
Yeah.
got any major rooms like the kitchen or the bath or whatnot.
Maybe he just was showing us what he actually gonna update it as far as like the bottom of the property, but we do need photos of the top.
And like I said, I didn't notice a kitchen. I didn't notice the major rooms, right, that sell houses, which
Yeah,
is the bed, the bathroom and the kitchen.
yeah, yeah,
Like to see that layout and what needs to be done.
yeah,
Definitely would have liked to seen those photos.
yeah, yeah, for
All
sure.
we did was got a exterior photo of the front. We didn't even get on all sides. We didn't get We got part of the backyard, somewhat or whatever. So yeah, and then he said his renovation budget is 970,000.
Yeah.
Yep, on a 3,000 square foot house.
Yeah, that's a little low.
But overall, I mean, as far as we'll see what the numbers say, uh, and see if they know what they're talking about. Because at 120, 125 on the purchase, 70,000 is 195, and then he's saying the ARV is 425. That's huge. It's a huge, huge, huge spread. So we'll see.
All right, we in residential. Let me copy this. Closed properties. That's 365.
Right on the boulevard, there are no houses for sale. So you
And
have
he
to
on
go.
this side.
Oh yeah. But you still gonna have to go in front of him because we know going behind him the neighborhood get a little weaker. That makes sense?
Yeah, I can
It
go in front and
get a
behind.
little more you see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
It
I'm
get a
a,
little bit more lower, like cause behind him they have, if I'm not mistaken, they have a couple like a lot of rental property. So you just gonna take all of it?
yeah.
All right, cool. That's a lot of data, but
We
let's
only
see.
looking at the excellence of that.
And 3,000 square feet
Yeah,
or close to it.
so this one 3,000.
Yeah, so the 425, I told you that I don't see nothing at 400.
Yeah. Yeah, nothing sold for 400,000. Yeah.
Nothing sold. The closest thing is that 395 and the 382.
Yeah.
And they said 35. Is that bigger than our project? Our 3,500? Oh, I'm sorry,
3,500.
32. 32. I'm sorry, look at the wrong column. 3,200 and yeah, so 3,200 seemed to be the average right there between those two.
Yeah, and our square footage is 3,056.
All
And
right.
it's consistent because this one sold for
Yeah,
$118 a square foot, and this one sold for 122 a square foot. So it is consistent.
let's see the all right. It's typical LJs. Their homes are older looks and stuff like that. I feel like I saw this house before. This one.
Yeah. But keep in mind, on our property do have a pool too. So that's a selling point.
Mm, all right, no upgrades on the bathroom in this one.
I'm not saying that pool gonna bring us to 425, but if a buyer walking through all of these properties, of course they're gonna look at the one with the pool first, especially
Yeah,
if they have a family.
yeah,
I don't know why this is in excellent condition, honestly.
yeah.
It-
This looks like it's original build, huh? From
yeah,
1970 something.
yeah,
Any upgrades in this house at all?
yeah,
But it's just clean. I mean, so obviously it don't take much to get to 385 or the 382.
yeah,
It's gotta have a clean look. The area is it's not a bad area of New Orleans. So, and
yeah,
we're
yeah.
under the
So that
so
was the only two that was in the same size as ours. So I guess we got to go with those two as far as our dollars per square foot.
right.
Yeah, so we have 118 and 122. So the average of that is 120. So what's 120 times 3,056? That's 366.
So 360, are we going down?
Yeah, we go down to 360.
Although at 366, we always round down. So we're gonna go at 360, which I think is in line with. what sold right at 382 and 395, and those are 200 square feet difference.
Yeah.
So it's kind of in the middle of the road. Middle of the road, kind of on the lower of those two. But again, we bankers, so we always want to take the least risk possible. And if he can come up above the 360 on his sold price, that's great on him. That's a lot more money or spread he's created, right?
Yeah.
But at the so what is our loan of value on that?
Yeah. So at 360, this is a really great deal, but the only thing that makes it a good deal because our 65% of 360 is 234. And he asking for 195. But I think me and you agree that $70,000 renovation is a little low.
It is.
So is that 195 accurate? Because it
I
is that
think
is a little low.
upon some more photos, though, remember it didn't take much to get a house sold, you know, because even if he doesn't upgrade the bathrooms and put paint on the countertops, I mean
Mm-hmm.
paint on the cabinets, he gonna be in line with everybody else.
Yeah, that's a
Clearly,
good point.
yeah, clearly he got to put floors down because there are no floors. So he gonna have newer floors than whether the other two properties didn't have new floors at all. So
Mm-hmm.
he'll have the opportunity to be consistent, but I still would like to see some more photos of upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
And I would just want to take a peek at the kitchen and the bathrooms. But I think um overall he can make it work. It'll be tight, but he can make it work.
Yeah. And also I would like to get his understanding of how he came up with the 425 as his ARV.
Yeah.
And if he have like a backup plan if the house don't sell at 425. I don't know if it's the pool. He think because his property got a pool, he could sell it for a premium, but I don't think it's that big of a premium he could sell it for. Maybe 380, but not 425.
Yeah, looking at what he's saying he gonna do, he gotta do a new roof, windows, framing. So the new roof, windows, and framing right there, it is throwing me off a little bit with the 70,000. Because we still have, and then you still doing plumbing and electrical. Those are
Yeah,
pretty much all the major trades.
yeah, yeah,
And if it just depends. Are we doing an entire rewire or are we just doing a partial rewire? Like what we doing?
right.
Um, but again, I think we still make the offer.
Yeah, for sure.
Just first, we also need to see that renovation scope of work as well.
Yep. So this is a VC approved.
VC approved.
VC approved.